Well,
Snaffle.
can I have your name?
It's Snaffle.
Can I have your name and badge number?
I'm just
Sir,
trying to tell
you're my servant. Can I have your name and badge number?
No,
Snaffle.
Well, you're a public servant. Am I public? Can I have your name and badge number?
You got my work
Can I have your name?
Can you read that there?
You have to give me a
I
name.
don't have to lawfully give you
Yes,
my
you have
name.
to
I can give you my badge
Can I have
number.
your
There you
name?
go. There's
Yeah, can I have your
21680.
name? Can I have your name?
We're trying to
Oh,
do
you ain't
this.
trying to help. Can I have your name?
We're trying to do this.
Can I have your name? This copper does not want to give me his name.
Where's my
My
badge
servant. What's your name?
I'm not your servant. I'm nobody's
You're a
servant.
public servant. I'm public.
Right,
therefore-
get that out of my face for starters, right? There's a good lad. Get that out of my
Get
face.
it back.
Okay,
I'm recording for my own safety. I've done nothing wrong. They're at my house.
Right, okay.
He's telling me to get back. I've
This
got
is
back.
what
There's
we're
two
gonna
of
do.
them, yeah.
We'll come round here unless we find another address, because we know you've been.
Well, you ain't going to be coming in because you don't live
Okay.
here. I've showed you twice now.
In the opening statement, the citizen asked the police officer to provide his name and badge number. This was a reasonable request because the police are required by law to identify themselves when performing public duties. However, the police officer refused, which escalated the situation. This was a matter of citizen rights, and failure to comply with police regulations could lead to a lack of trust in the community. A police officer's failure to identify himself is a sign of a lack of transparency and can lead to civil rights issues. The right to request information is one of the basic rights of citizens when they encounter law enforcement. Failure to cooperate with the police can lead to misunderstandings and even escalate the situation.
Showed him around twice. It's on record, yeah.
We know he's been sleeping in your garage.
He's not.
So
He's not
we'll
been
come
sleeping in my
round,
garage.
we'll
He
come
ain't in
round
there. I've
again,
showed them twice
and
now.
other officers
This is
will
bullying,
keep coming
bullying.
round.
Two, one's got out
Unless
the
we
car
have
now. Big
another
man, big man
address
number two's
for
got out
him.
the car, yeah.
Okay, you're
Telling me
clearly
to get
not
back.
listening to me.
As a
Young
public
man, you're clearly
servant,
not
it's wrong how to
listening.
do it. And you're not
Okay.
listening. He doesn't live here.
clearly
I've
not
told you,
listening,
I've got a
young
dog
man.
in there. You're
Okay.
threatening to come in and manhandle my dog.
No, if we
You've
have to-
threatened to come and
if
manhandle
we
my
have
dog.
to
And
go
I've
into
told
the
you,
address-
he doesn't live there.
If we
He's
have to
not
go into
there.
the
He
address
hasn't been there.
and
And
the
now
dog
you're
attacks one of
doing
the
things.
officers,
No.
the dog will get snaffled. Simple
And
as
if you
that.
come in and try and
Okay?
attack my dog, the officer's going to
We
get
don't
snaffled by
attack
me. Because
dogs.
I've told
We look
you.
after dogs.
No, I don't care. I
We
don't
look
care.
after dogs.
You do things wrong in the
No,
law.
well, that's
I've got
your
a dog,
opinion, that's
and
your
you're threatening
opinion,
to
okay?
bang the door when
That's
I
your
there.
opinion.
You're threatening to
I've
bang the
told
door
you
when
what
I
we're
there.
gonna do. We'll come
It's
in
wrong
if we
out
need
of
to come
order.
in, okay?
He doesn't
We'll
live
come
there.
in.
He's not registered.
Where's
He's
he-
not on a tenancy
Well, why has he been
agreement.
sleeping in your garage then?
He's not in the garage.
Why
He's
has he
not.
been sleeping in it then?
Have you got proof? Have you got
Yes.
proof? Show me the
There was
proof.
a- there was
Show
a
me
mattress
proof.
in there last time we
It's
came.
my mattress from my mum's. I can have a mattress
you're
in
on
there.
the back of the,
No, you
that's,
are. What's that him? Have you got proof? No, you've got no proof. Where's your proof? Show me. He's got no. Big man here's got.
The situation continued to escalate as the resident insisted that there was a dog in the house and threatened to hurt the animal if the police entered. The resident reacted strongly and repeatedly asked the police to provide information or prove what they were saying. When an individual's privacy is violated, resistance is inevitable. In this case, people were defending their own rights and those of their pets. The lack of clear evidence from the police added to the tension. People demanded proof of the police's actions, which is entirely reasonable in a society where citizens' rights are protected.
No proof.
I agree to disagree.
We'll see you again, don't
And big
worry.
man, can I have your name
See you
before you
again.
go? Can I have your name before you go? You've got to give me your name, and if you don't give me your name,
Can you give me
it
my
don't matter. I
license?
want your name. You
Give
ain't
me
giving
my
me your name.
license,
It don't matter. I want your name. I want you to repeat your name. I want you to tell me your name for the
Don't tell
camera.
me what to do, kid.
Right,
Right,
we'll see about
you've
this.
got me back.
But do you know what? You've both come here and you've got zero out of what you've come here for,
Your
are you?
attitude- your attitude's
My
been
attitude
appalling.
stinks. Do you know why? Because people have been coming here for months, and I work, mate. I work.
So have we.
Yeah,
But your
and you
attitude's
do
been
your
appalling.
job
We're
wrong.
trying to arrest your
Mate,
brother 'cause he's wanted.
Yeah, why? And you coming here
It's not-
pestering me. Do you know what,
Because
mate?
he's been
Do you know
staying in
what?
your garage.
You two,
Because
you
he's been
see,
staying in your
all these videos I've got building up of all of you, and do you know what? You're more scum, man. The lot of you. Yeah, all scum. No, you're more. The way you get out and try and threaten me to arrest me, I've done nothing wrong. Just because I'm shouting, I can raise my voice all I want. I'm outside my own house. But the way that you can arrest me, take me to the station, and he's going to let me go because I've done nothing wrong. So I've got the evidence here, and I've got the evidence right there outside my front door, and I've got the evidence up there in the corner. Do you know what I mean? You're more bang out, especially you, with your little smirk look on your face. I'd love for you not to be a copper for a day, mate. I'll tell you now.
Now you're threatening me.
I ain't threatening. That's a promise, mate. That's a promise, not a threat. It's a promise. That is a promise, no threat. Yeah, it's a promise, not a threat, mate. That's a promise. Another thing, if you keep coming here.
People continued to demand the name of the police officer and criticized his attitude, claiming that he was behaving inappropriately and had an unreasonable attitude. People also accused the police of exerting unnecessary pressure, making the situation more tense. The attitude of the police officer in this passage is an important factor. Citizens criticized the police officer's behavior, claiming that he did not perform his job professionally. This is a common issue in citizen-police conversations, where there is a lack of understanding and transparency on the part of law enforcement.
Giving me your smirk, I'll get you suspended as well, mate, for your attitude and the way that you try and do things. Mate, I've already been and had stuff, been to the hospital, been through stuff for stress and that, and now you two are causing me to top myself.
Blame your brother then.
No. It's you two. It's you two. I would like you to go away, please, because you're making me bad.
You're going to top yourself before you leave. So
Did I say I'm going to top myself? I said,
All right, so we'll have to
I said
take
it's the
you-
way you're making me feel. No, I didn't say I'm going to. I said it's the way you're making me
No,
feel.
you just said you're going to top yourself if I leave.
I
So
said
now
I've
I'm
been
going to duty care over
I said
you
I've been
under section
stressed.
136 of place,
I've been
the section
stressed.
of the mental health
I
act.
said
So
I've been stressed. I
What
didn't say I'm
is
going to
it?
top myself. I
Just
said
play it back,
I feel
don't
like I'm going to because it's the way that I'm stressed, the way
You
I've been
might wanna play it
treated.
back.
It's the
No,
way
but
I've been
listen to yourself.
treated.
The dialogue ended with a statement that they would not give in to police intimidation. The people asserted that they would not back down and ask the police to leave. This is a typical tense situation where people not only defend their rights but also protest against the lack of cooperation from the police. This highlights the importance of compliance with the law and transparency in police action.
It's the way I've been treated.
All right then.
I'll drive you. I'll
So
work.
are you going to tell me that you're going to go top yourself now?
No, I'm not going to.
Okay.
I've got dogs there.
All right then. We'll go back in your house
I've
then.
already been assessed. If I didn't have my dogs,
right,
yeah, I would. But I've got dogs to care of.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's the way you do things, man. You think I'm going to back off from you? Jog on, eh? Weasels, man.
Pardon?
I said jog on for the camera. Try.
Yes, you. Bye-bye.
This is an important situation in protecting citizens' rights. What do you think about the way the police officer acted? Do citizens have the right to request personal information from the police? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on citizens' rights and police behavior.